Okay, fifth graders, here's some little bit of homework help here. I'm looking at, even though we kind of went over these in class briefly, let's just look at 19 and 20 together here, help you guys out with that. So Wilhelmina has 8.3 ounces of peanut butter, and if she makes 5 sandwiches, how much can she put on each? And I think we talked about that you're going to have to divide 8.3. It's going to be divided by 5 to get your answer. So we'll come over here and I'll put down 8.3, and that's being divided by 5. Well, how many times does 5 go into 8? Fits in once. This should be familiar. This is the kind of problems we did using decimals not too long ago. 5 from 8, there's 3 left over. Now, where's the decimal go? Remember, the decimal goes straight up, okay? And remember that when the decimal is inside, it just goes straight up. But if you're dividing a number with a decimal, like let's say if it was 0.5 instead of 5, you'd have to move the decimal over 1, and then you'd have to move this decimal over 1 also. Whatever you do on the outside, you would do on the inside. But that's not the case here. We're not dividing a number with a decimal, just by 5. So there's 3 left over. Decimal goes straight up. What do we do with the other 3? Bring it down. How many times does 5 go into 33? It goes 6 times, okay? And it's 30, and we subtract. What's left over? 3. Well, there isn't another number to bring down, so you would just add a 0. And then 5 goes into 30 how many times? It goes in 6 times evenly, and there's nothing left over, okay? And so it's 1.66. That would be the answer to number 19. Let me erase that over here and make some room. And it's, like I said, 1.66 OZ for ounces. Okay, there's number 19 done for you. How about number 20? Before we finish number 19, I want to show you guys something here. I was looking at peanut butter sandwiches and the different kind of peanut butter sandwiches. I don't know how many of you like peanut butter sandwiches. I used to have them all the time when I was younger, not so much anymore. I mean, once in a great while, I might have a peanut butter sandwich. But there are some really gross peanut butter sandwiches out there that maybe you guys would like. I don't know. Let's see here. I want to display layer 2. Look at these peanut butter sandwiches. Let me move this out of the way. So here we have a regular peanut butter sandwich right here. I mean, that looks good. I can eat that. Now this is a grilled cheese peanut butter sandwich. That's just gross. That doesn't appeal to me at all. I cannot melted cheese and peanut butter. No, doesn't do it. Now here's one. It's a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Now I could eat that, but what I usually do, you guys have even seen me do it. I put peanut butter on my bananas directly. I don't have any bread, and that's pretty good. Now look at this one here, the last one, number 4, peanut butter and, I don't know if you can tell, peanut butter and onion. Okay, I'm sorry, peanut butter and onion. That's really gross. That's just not a happy face. So if you look up peanut butter sandwiches on Google and look up images, you're going to see all kinds of things. So let's see here. So some extra credit points. Extra credit for group points. I'll pull 4 sticks, and you have to tell me the 4 peanut butter sandwiches that I listed here. Regular, peanut butter grilled cheese, peanut butter banana, and peanut butter onion. All right, so there you go. Group points. We'll see who watched this video and who didn't. All right, number 20. Back to number 20 here. Irene buys a doll for $10.66. I'm going to put that down here, $10.66. And she spends, it's a talking doll. She spends $4.22, so I'm going to put down $4.22. Okay, and then she pays with a $20 bill. Estimate, okay, and I think I told you guys, I'm not interested in estimating. Okay, so I want to know how much she paid. Or how much, let's see, she pays with a $20 bill. I want to know her change. Okay, so you're going to have to total these first here. It's 88. Okay, there's a 4 and there's a 1. So now we're going to take $20, that's what she paid with, and you're going to subtract $14.88. Okay? Because it says estimate change. I want to know the exact change. How much does she get back? Well, let's see. We have to borrow from the 2. That becomes a 1. So this becomes 10, but we've got to borrow from that, so that becomes a 9. That becomes a 10. We've got to borrow from that. That becomes a 9. And that's a 10. So 8 from 10 is 2. 8 from 9 is 1. Decimal goes straight down. 4 from 9 is 5. 1 from 1 is 0. So her change would be $5. Notice the dollar sign. $5.12. All right. All right, there's your homework help video with 19 and 20 and some extra credit potential. And you can also share with me maybe what your favorite kind of peanut butter sandwich is. Maybe I'll do some sticks for that just to see. But we'll see who was paying attention and who can list those 4 types of peanut butter sandwiches. All right, that's it. I will talk to you guys Monday.